Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe. I'm back with Umihlali Ndamase, which Ugelweno is alleged to be creaming. Yeah, creamer. And guys, I believe would see most celebrities like Mansba Phezulu, they start doing Nazmal Mosiakezan. They start doing all those things. And Umihlali Anyeke, like guys, Simbon bleacher because she always uses filters. If it's not filters, find makeup in. That's all we know Umihlali. But guys, as a girl, because now I also go through such things. Um, if ever you get a brand, about a brand as Mihlali, like she always gets a brand deal and all. And then a brand is a hi Mihlali, can you please advertise this and this for us? We would pay you such and such and such. And then she has to advertise Leo brand Leo ngeskin sakhe. Do you understand ukuthi mele agcobise iskin sakhe so that azosikhombisa ama-outcome wakhona. Like it's a lot. And uvalekile yena because she always uses a lot of makeup. Look at this picture. Makeup yakhe doesn't match her skin. And ukelwenwe omunye who's been through a lot this year. Besides i-BBL yokuthi iphume kabi yihle mayagcoka amarokho namajini kuphela. She was in so many scandals. The cheating scandal ukuthi bekajwayana nendoda enomfazi, the Leroy bekamshaya. Like she's been through a lot. Like yabona i-December kuthiwa ayivalwe, kuthiwa ayivalwe. But recently they gave us the updates ukuthi yena no-Leroy they are dating low key abababonayo estradeni. Because last time umihlali wathi kithi she's pregnant. She was once, allegedly she was once expecting umntana kaLeroy and she's late azange amzale and all. And I'm like, girl, that's a dark humor. Like this year exposed a lot about how celebrities behave behind a camera. Camera, it's obviously bazuzikhombela into esifuna ukuyibona, but behind the camera they're so toxic, they're so okay, everyone deals with such things in Britain, but most of my celebrity, especially Mihlali, we saw the other side of Mihlali. Mihlali smash as girl of makeup othulile and all. But this year we had to see ukuthi Mihlali uyala, Mihlali toxic, Mihlali this, Mihlali that. Mihlali tasmadoda wabantu, Mihlali. Yo, guys, it is such an unbelievable face for us who follow her. But hey, let's hope ukhulile, and guys, thank you for watching.